Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a passkey within your account on the Bitget crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. Now tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the right arrow button alongside your user ID. You will now end up within your user center page, from which you can tap on security to see the various different security options. Here you will see the passkey option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will have the option to add a passkey. Tap on the add passkey option, and now you can choose between hardware passkey, which is also termed the USB passkey, or the passkey option, which is stored within your phone. If you don't have a hardware wallet, tap on the first option, then tap on the checkbox to confirm that you agree with the terms and conditions. You will now be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address and also the Google Authenticator app if you have it added as your verification method. So first check your inbox or your SMS and you will find your 6-digit verification code. Copy this code and then paste it within the email or phone verification box. Now for the next step, you will need to find the code from Google Authenticator. So open up the Google Authenticator app and here just tap on the key that you see on Bitget. This will then copy the key on your clipboard. You can then just tap on the paste button to enter the key. After entering both of these keys, provide your fingerprint or your biometric to confirm your decision. And now, your passkey has successfully been created. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a passkey for your account on the Bitget crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.